Hello my elegant ladies and welcome back to the channel. Today, I am bringing you another inspiring fashion guide designed especially for mature women who want to look stylish, graceful, and timeless, because elegance is not about trends, it is about choosing the right pieces that highlight your natural beauty and reflect the confidence that comes with age. As women over 40, 50 and 60, we know that fashion should celebrate who we are, not hide it, and with the right combinations, every outfit can look chic and effortless. So let's get started with one of the most classic and elegant looks: a simple blouse tucked into tailored trousers. This combination never fails, it gives structure, lengthens the body, and always looks polished. Choose neutral tones like ivory, beige, or navy and add a slim leather belt for definition. Complete the look with loafers or low block heels and a structured handbag, and you are ready for a day at work, a lunch with friends, or even a casual dinner. Now let's talk about dresses. Because dresses are one of the easiest ways to achieve instant elegance, a wrap dress is perfect for mature women because it defines the waist and flatters every figure. Go for a midi length in a solid color or a subtle print. Pair it with sling back heels and a delicate necklace, and you will look both feminine and sophisticated. Another elegant option is the shirt dress, which is trending right now and looks beautiful on women of all ages. Belted at the waist, add ankle boots and a structured bag, and you have an outfit that works from day to evening. Outerwear is another essential part of an elegant wardrobe, and a trench coat is the ultimate timeless piece. Throw it over a blouse and trousers or layer it on top of a dress, and instantly your outfit looks refined. A camel trench or navy wool coat can last for years and always make you look polished. Add a lightweight scarf or a pair of leather gloves for a truly classic finish. Skirts also deserve a place in an elegant wardrobe. Pleated skirts, especially in midi length, add movement and grace. Pair them with a fitted sweater tucked in slightly at the front and finish with heeled boots or pumps. If you want something more modern, try a satin skirt styled with a silk blouse and a slim belt for evening occasions. Accessories are the secret to refinement. Elegant ladies know that less is more, so instead of lots of pieces, focus on a few quality items. Pearl studs, a gold bracelet, a silk scarf, a leather handbag, and a classic watch are staples that elevate any outfit. Sunglasses with simple chic frames also give you that refined finishing touch. Shoes should always balance comfort with style. Loafers, ballet flats, sling backs, and ankle boots are perfect options, and they can be paired with almost anything from dresses to trousers to skirts. Color choice also plays a big role in creating elegance. Sticking to neutrals like beige, cream gray, navy, and black gives a timeless foundation, but adding one pop of color through a handbag, a blouse, or even shoes can bring life to your look without losing sophistication. Evening wear for elegant ladies should be graceful and understated. A satin midi dress with a tailored blazer or shawl is perfect. Pair it with heels, a clutch, and delicate jewelry, and you will always look radiant. Finally, my dear ladies, never forget that true elegance comes from within. The way you carry yourself, your confidence, your smile, and your posture are what truly complete your outfit. When you wear clothes that make you feel comfortable and beautiful, your natural elegance shines through. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these outfit ideas and tips gave you fresh inspiration for your wardrobe. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss more fashion inspiration designed especially for elegant, mature women like you.